How to access archived chats in ChatGPT. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can access archived chats in ChatGPT. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your ChatGPT. Head over to chatgpt.com, and after you're on chatgpt.com, all you have to do is simply head over to your profile icon that is on the top right. Now before we do that, if you guys don't know how to archive your chats, this is what you do. Hover over to this section here to any chat that you want, and then tap on the three dots. After you tap on three dots, tap on the archive button. And with that, your chat has been archived. Now to recover that chat, head over to your profile icon on the top right corner, tap on it, and there you'll see settings. Tap on settings, and under your general personalization and different stuff, you should see under general archive chats. So you can archive all chats altogether as well. So let's just head over to archive chats manage option. So tap on manage, and after you tap on manage, you will now see all of your archived chats. After you see all of your archived chats, you can either delete them. You'll see the delete conversation button, and right beside it, you'll see an archive option. So tap on the unarchive button to unarchive them, or you can tap on the delete conversation button to delete them. So let's do this one right here for unarchiving, and let's delete the rest. And that's basically how you manage or access your archive chats on your ChatGPT. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.